Hey everyone, today we wanted to show you how you can share your quizzes with other teachers within your school. This is what it's going to look like once you've logged into your ExamRevision account, and you're going to want to go into the My Quizzes tab in the left sidebar. Then you're going to want to click Share beside the quiz that you wish to share with another teacher. You can scroll down through all of the teachers within your school, or you can type their name. You can select multiple teachers to share the quiz with. Once you click Share, the teacher will receive the quiz into their account. If you or the teacher makes modifications to these quizzes, neither of you will see the other's adjustments. You can think of it as sharing a quiz as giving a copy of the quiz and what it looks like at that point in time. You can also filter your quizzes to quizzes only you have created or quizzes that have only been shared to you by others. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Thanks for watching.